Welcome to our guide on DOT regulations for vehicle maintenance. As a trucking company, staying compliant with these regulations is crucial for the safety of your drivers and the public. In this video, we'll cover the importance of vehicle maintenance, an overview of DOT regulations, and the different types of inspections required. Proper vehicle maintenance helps ensure the safety of drivers, reduces breakdowns, and keeps your fleet compliant. It also helps you save money in the long run. DOT regulations outline specific requirements for vehicle maintenance, including pre-trip inspections, daily vehicle checks, periodic maintenance, and record keeping. Pre-trip inspections are conducted by the driver before operating the vehicle and should include a thorough check of all major components. Daily vehicle checks should be conducted by the driver at the start of each day and should include a quick inspection of key components. When conducting inspections, pay close attention to tires, brakes, lights, steering components, and fluid levels. Periodic maintenance involves more in-depth inspections and repairs and should be conducted at regular intervals. A routine maintenance schedule should be developed and followed to ensure that all necessary maintenance is performed on time. Common maintenance tasks include oil changes, brake inspections, tire rotations, and fluid checks. Accurate record keeping is essential for demonstrating compliance with DOT regulations. Maintenance logs should include details of all maintenance performed, while repair orders should document any repairs made. Repair orders should include the date of repair, the parts replaced, and the labor performed. Regular inspections are conducted by DOT officials to ensure that vehicles are in compliance with regulations. DOT roadside inspections can be conducted at any time and can result in fines or even vehicle impoundment for non-compliance. Penalties for non-compliance can include fines, loss of operating authority, and even criminal charges. By staying compliant with DOT regulations, you can keep your drivers and vehicles safe, reduce downtime, and avoid costly penalties. For more information on DOT regulations and vehicle maintenance, visit our website or contact our team of experts. Visit our website at illinoissafetyconsultants.com to learn more about DOT regulations and how to keep your fleet compliant. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on DOT compliance and trucking industry best practices.